In this tutorial, you'll be introduced to the Modules tab. Modules are individual content items such as a lesson, quiz, or task. To begin exploring modules, click on the Modules tab from the top menu bar. From the top center of the page, you can search for modules using Electude's keyword search. You can narrow the search according to product group and by module type. In addition to the keyword search, you can find modules arranged by topic in the left-hand menu structure. Click on the folder Default by Subject to expand the menu structure. Next, click on a main topic folder to expand the subtopic folders. Now click on the topic folder to view the list of modules on the inside. From the list of modules, click on the title you wish to view. This will take you to the Start Module page. From the Start Module page, you can view lesson learning objectives, as well as the estimated time to complete the module. To view the module, click the Start Module button. Once a lesson module is open, you'll find an interactive graphic to the left. At the top center, you'll find page text. Each page has a series of questions or activities directly below. Students must achieve a correct answer before they are allowed to advance to the next question and/or page of text. In the upper right-hand corner, you'll find three buttons: Presentation Mode, Text-to-Speech, and Navigational Help. Presentation Mode is only available from a teacher login. Text-to-Speech is available from either teacher or student login. In the lower right-hand corner, you'll find two buttons: Answer Key and Comment button. The answer key is only available from a teacher login. Please go to our website at electude.com for more training tutorials.